Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic that's been buzzing around the online world: affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered what it is, how it works, and how you can potentially make money with it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in. Definition. What is affiliate marketing, you ask? Well, it's a fantastic way to earn money online by promoting products or services created by other people or companies. You act as a middleman or affiliate and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your efforts. How IT works now. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how affiliate marketing works. It's a simple 3-step process. Choose a niche. You pick a niche or topic that you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. It could be anything, from fitness to technology to fashion. Find affiliate programs. Next, you search for affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. These programs are offered by companies looking for partners to promote their products or services. Promote and earn. Once you've partnered with an affiliate program, you start promoting their products or services using unique tracking links. When someone makes a purchase or takes a desired action through your link, you earn a commission. It's that easy. Examples, but wait, it gets even better. Let me give you some real-world examples. Imagine you have a health and wellness blog, and you partner with a fitness equipment company. You create content about their products, share your personal experience, and provide your audience with your affiliate link. When your viewers buy that shiny new dumbbell set you recommended, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Perks now. Why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, there are some pretty awesome perks. Flexible. You can do it from anywhere, anytime. Low risk. No need to create your own products or invest heavily. Passive income. You can earn money while you sleep, as your content keeps working for you. No customer support. You don't have to deal with customer complaints or product issues. That's the company's job. Unlimited earning potential. Your earnings are based on your efforts and creativity. There's no cap. Tips to succeed. So, if you're excited to jump into the world of affiliate marketing, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose products you believe in. Promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Your enthusiasm will shine through your content. Quality content is key. Create valuable, honest, and engaging content that provides real solutions or answers questions. Build trust. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate partnerships. Diversify your income sources. Don't rely on a single affiliate program. Diversify to reduce risk. Stay updated, the digital world evolves fast. Keep learning and adapting. Conclusion. Alright, folks, that's the lowdown on affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion and knowledge into a source of income. Just remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, patience, and a lot of hard work. But it's absolutely worth it. Call to action. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your own affiliate marketing success stories, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Outro. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep hustling and make those affiliate marketing dreams a reality. See you soon.